Hello everyone, my name is Kate and you're watching House of Kate Kenya, where I transform old clothes into stylish new creations. So if this is your vibe, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read the tape measure. So if you're a beginner in fashion or sewing, this will be very helpful to you. Or even if you just want to learn how to read the tape measure, stick around and I will teach you. The tape measure usually has two sides, the inches side and the centimeter side. So the inch side is up to 60 inches, as you can see. And then the centimeter side is up to 150 centimeters, as you can see. I don't know why I have glitter on my hands. But anyway, let me use my notebook and place it like this so that we can see properly what we are doing. I hope the reflection is not bothering you as much. Bear with me because I don't have proper lighting, so yeah, that angle is good. So we have from here it's 0 inches, then 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4, 5, 6 and so on and so on. And you can identify inches by these long lines that you can see here. Okay, so having said that, 1 inch is always divided into 8 equal parts. So as I've said, from here to here, that's 1 inch, right? And I'm going to show you how it's divided into 8 equal parts, or rather what I mean when I say 1 inch is divided into 8 equal parts. So the first is the 1 inch mark. Let's work with this. So this is the 1 inch mark, right? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you reach 8, that's basically the next inch. So now let's name them because each mark has a name, right? So this one, of course, this is 1 inch mark, and then we have 1/8, and we say 1/8 because they are 8 markings. Okay, so this is 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and then 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and then we have 8/8, which cancels out, and it's basically the next inch. So let me repeat it again. We have the 1 inch, right? So if someone tells you mark 1 inch, you place the tape measure from here to here, that's 1 inch, right? And then when you hear 1 and 1/8, so it's 1 and then 1/8. 1/8 is here, so this is 1/8. This is 2/8, but we don't say 2/8, we round it off. Let me just use this book. We round it off and we say 1/4 inch. So your 1/4 inch is here. If you hear a person telling you measure 1/4 inch, it's from here to here. That's a 1/4 inch. I hope I make sense. And then we have 3/8. Okay, and then we have 4/8, but we don't say 4/8. By 4/1, by 4/2, we say 1/2 inch. So this is the 1/2 inch mark. If someone tells you measure 1/2 inch, it's from here to here. So basically this is 1/2 an inch. I hope I'm making sense. Okay, so we have said we don't say 4/8, we say 1/2 an inch, right? And then the next one is 5/8, which is here, and then we have 6/8, right? So 6/8 by, you can say by 2, 3 by 2, 4. So we have 3/4 inch. This is the 3/4 inch mark. If someone is telling you measure 3/4 inches, it's from here to here, right? And then we have 7/8 and then 8/8, which cancels out. So let me recap everything here so that we understand better. I'm going to repeat like the whole thing again, but summarize it basically. So we have 1 inch mark. So the long lines are inches, right? The short ones are 1/2 inch. These ones are 1/4 inches, and then we have 3/4 inches. As we discussed, 1 inch is always divided into 8 equal parts. So I want to show you, this is in fractions, right? We have 1/8, 2/8, which is a 1/4 inch, 3/8, we have 4/8, which is a 1/2 inch, then 5/8, 6/8, which is 3/4 inches, 7/8, and 8/8. So this makes up the 1 inch, like here, and this is in fractions. Right, so let's discuss decimals, because you can also, these were fractions, but you can also hear people measuring using decimals. How to find your decimals? You just divide these numbers, these fractions. So 1 divided by 8, you get 0.125. So when someone is telling you measure 1 inch, 1.125 inches, you know it's 1/8 inches, which is here. So basically 1.125 inches is from here to here. I really hope I'm making sense with all this. So 1/8 is equivalent to 0.125 inches, 1/4 is equivalent to 0.25 inches, 3/8 is equivalent to 0.375 inches, which you can round off, equal 0.38, and then a half inch is 0.5 inches, and so on and so on, up until 8/8, which is a whole inch, right? So every time you hear someone telling you measure probably 1.5 inches, it's from here to here, 0.5. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. If you haven't understood anything, kindly just comment down below and I'll basically do another video going in depth. But basically this is it. This is how to read your tape measure easily. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sustainable fashion. Until next time, stay stylish. Bye.